Welcome to the world of real estate investing, where the mindset of a successful investor can turn dreams into reality. Today, we're diving deep into the mindset that separates the successful from the rest. 1. The mindset shift. First, let's talk about the mindset shift. Successful investors see beyond the bricks and mortar. They see potential, opportunity, and value where others see challenges. They understand that real estate is not just about buying properties, but about creating value and solving problems. 2. Long-term vision. They possess a long-term vision. While others focus on the immediate gains, successful investors are playing the long game. They're patient, strategic, and always planning several moves ahead, understanding that true wealth in real estate is built over time. 3. Education and continuous learning. Education is their foundation. They commit to continuous learning, staying updated with market trends, laws, and strategies. Knowledge is power, and in the ever-evolving world of real estate, staying informed is key to staying ahead. 4. Network and relationships. Building a strong network is crucial. They know the importance of relationships, from mentors and partners to clients and competitors. Successful investors understand that real estate is a people business, and nurturing these relationships can open doors to incredible opportunities. 5. Risk management. Lastly, they master risk management. Investing in real estate involves risks, but successful investors know how to assess, manage, and mitigate these risks. They make informed decisions, always prepared for the unexpected, ensuring their investments are protected. In conclusion, adopting the mindset of a successful real estate investor is about seeing the bigger picture, embracing continuous growth, and navigating the journey with wisdom and resilience. Thank you for tuning into this video and being part of our growing real estate investment community. We're dedicated to reaching as many aspiring investors as possible, so if you haven't subscribed yet, we encourage you to hit that subscribe button to never miss out on our latest tips, strategies, and guides. Your engagement, whether through likes, comments, or shares, fuels our community and guides us in creating more tailored content for you. Don't hesitate to interact with us, share your ideas, and let's continue simplifying real estate together.